Happy birthday!
Feeling good. We'll do some work.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. I know me say it a lot, but I know I'm looking like really rough, voice crusty, everything. It's Sunday morning and it's actually 6:30 as we speak. I need to look better for the camera. Guys, my feel mash up like a crackers. As usual, I went to work yesterday and no work today. Get back on the eye. Tired. Today's another celebration. Today's another birthday celebration. So last week Sunday, you saw that I celebrated my second son's birthday. He turned 10. Today, we're actually celebrating my oldest child, first son, birthday. His birthday is actually tomorrow. He's turning 20. Turning 20 tomorrow. 20. But we are going to not do like a birthday party. We're actually doing more like a surprise. I am here. Good choice. Actually upstairs, looking about his famous coleslaw. Chef kiss when my husband did that. So what I'm planning to do is we're going to be surprising him at his school. He's in school. This is he's finishing up his second semester. He's studying psychology. And so obviously he can't make it down today. He wouldn't have any reason to come down today because his birthday is on Monday. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be surprising him. I'm cooking his favorite meal, which is actually curried goat and stew pork and rice and peas. And as I said before, Troy is already upstairs making his famous coleslaw. Now we'll be cooking. We already have his cake. I can't speak. So I already have his cake. I bought his cake on Friday evening when I was coming home. He loves carrot cake. It's already in the fridge ready. We went to Dollar Tree last night and we got a couple more containers and stuff. We're gonna package the food and everything to bring up. We're gonna be cooking the food, surprising him, and we are gonna just go by there and eat. So we're all gonna have dinner at his house, at the school today. He had asked for the shoes. I told him that I would not be able to afford it, but what I'm gonna be doing instead, because when he actually asked for this on Thursday, obviously I wouldn't be able to get any time. So I was planning on giving him a gift card, like a credit card, debit, that usable credit card, where give him some money on that so he can actually get the shoes. So that will be his birthday present. So we have the cake. I forgot to grab the juice. I'm gonna grab some juice. The candle. Cook the food, get some juice. I just said that. I wanted to grab the ice cream, but I don't think his fridge will be able to hold everything. They might have the mini fridge. I bought some balloons as well. I want to be showing you guys that. Bought some balloons, and we're just gonna pack up and go up there, go surprise him and have dinner with him, and I know he's gonna enjoy that. So I'm gonna show you guys as I cook today and our journey to and fro, celebrating my baby's 20th birthday. Like, what? My baby's 20 today. So yeah, as usual, I took today off to get celebration done, because my kid's birthday are very important. So yeah, so that's what's happening today. So let's go upstairs. So these are the balloons. So we got 3. Now we just got some stuff in here. This is for the coleslaw. This is for him to get his food right up there, like to put away. So got some cups, napkins, And then here are the containers that we'll be putting the food in to bring up. We already had the forks and stuff, so we don't need that. I also have some other stuff upstairs, like to share the food and stuff like that. Oh, I want to tell you what the reason why I haven't gone upstairs yet. So he sent me this, sent us this thing to help him with some homework, like some survey. He has been getting a lot of surveys recently. So he sent me last night, a survey to be done that he wants back this morning. So I'm like, teacher, my candidates. But anyways, we're going to do that now, so he doesn't suspect nothing. We're going to do that now and send it over to him so he can start his homework, and then we get all the crazy things happening. I haven't told the kids anything about this because I know that I don't want them to be calling him and telling him that, oh, we're coming to see you. So we haven't told them anything. So I'm going to get this done with the homework. We're going to get this done, get it scanned to him, and start what we need to do. Okay? If you're new to my channel, sorry for all the rambling. I hope you consider subscribing after watching everything that's going on today. Please go ahead and like and share this video and comment on the comment section. I apologize for the craziness, yeah. And to all my OG guys, go ahead and like, comment, and share the video. Okay? So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so we have the coleslaw here. Just try to finish it up. Alright, so here we have the mutton to do the curry goat. So we have 3 packs of stewed pork. I think I'm only going to use 2 packs. So I'm going to put this one in the fridge. So I am going to put on the red peas right now. This pot right here. And then we're going to season. Guys, I pulled out this pot again. Didn't realize that I still didn't buy the lid for it. So I literally just went on Amazon and ordered a lid so I can't stop use this mesh thing. So we're going to do 2 meats today, curry goats and the stewed pork. The coleslaw is already done and bagged and put up in the fridge. So we're going to get cooking and see if we can actually finish by around 10 o'clock. Sounds feasible. So we can pack up, pay the kids them, and yeah. So we're going to cook today. Okay.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can't do things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just Tell me that I can and show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. The pain makes it real, I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and meal. I'm just lost, I feel, I'm just lost, I feel. I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel. Cause this drive it kills, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a scene. Never even notice what you want. With you I don't never feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string.
Alright guys, so the curry is on. He's still cooking.
You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares.
Alright, so the piece is almost done. It's still a little bit hard. Some of it's still a little bit hard, so I'm gonna make it stay a little bit longer. And then we season it. This is the curry right now. Guys, me a curry all on my stand. But let's jump back into seasoning the pork. Alright guys, so I'm done with finished with the pork, as in season it up. I'm going to still currying. So the problem I have now is that based on the size pot I'm going to be using on the stove with everything else that's on it, even though it's a 5 burner, it's not going to be able to hold everything. So I'm going to have to wait until the curry goat is actually finished before I'm able to actually put on the pork. So the pork is actually seasoned and ready. I'm going to season the rice now, the peas, putting the seasoning and stuff, and then I can finish cooking the rice. And then after that, but it's 9:17 now, so I'm thinking maybe not 10:30, but by 11 o'clock everything should be done. So that's still good timing, and then we can get ready and do whatever. So that's what we're working with right now. So let's season the peas. Alright guys, update. So for some reason the battery died again. This is the second time I'm changing the battery. I finished with putting the coconut milk inside of the peas. So right now I'm just waiting for that to cook, and then I'm going to season it. And then I had to take out the hot pepper out of the curry. Add some more water to it because it was drying out. So that's that. So right now this is bubbling, so means that in the next minutes I can start adding the extra stuff to it, and you guys will see. And it's now 9:32, so still good timing, still good timing. So don't know what's going on with this camera today, not working very well with me, but because it keep on stopping and it keep on blur, like I don't know what is I don't know what's going on. We're gonna make it work. We'll figure it out. Okay? Alright. So this is something I learned from my big sister. This is baking soda. The meat basically partially cooked, but I want to cook a little faster. So instead of using a pressure cooker, just add a little bit of teaspoon into it so it doesn't really get the flavor of it, but just to tenderize the meat. And just leave it, and by a couple minutes, the cook, you get the gravy. I think I put a little bit too much in it, but it's not overwhelming, so it should be good. Alright guys, the rice is done. Shelly, nice. Rice done, we're gonna take that off. Can turn off that pot now. And then this is the curry goats. My rice got the pepper before because it was getting a little bit too spicy. the gravy can go down a little bit more, but by the time you put it on the heat and everything, keep it on the heat, it's gonna still. I like my gravy very thick. I still want this a little bit thicker, so I'm gonna keep it on a little bit more just for it to get that thickness. But this is basically it right now. Yeah, my gravy is supposed to thick. I mean, I like water gravy. This is not thin, but it's supposed to thicker. So I'm gonna leave it for a little bit. I think I'm gonna turn up the stove just a little bit and matter of fact, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it simmer down and I'm gonna start the pork. It's now 10:31. Obviously, I'm not gonna finish by 11 o'clock, so maybe 11:30, 12 o'clock the latest. But my aim is to reach there by 2 o'clock. So try and Tristan went to the mall. Cause Tristan gonna start soccer at his school, so they went to get a football boots. But yeah, let's start the pork. So guys, this is a lot of pork, and the two packs of pork that I use, this is a lot of pork because this is the 11-inch, I think 11 to 12-inch skillet, and this full up. I'm gonna put no extra water in there, like it's bringing its own water, and like look at this given. This is the pot that I told I don't have any cover for, and every time I say I'm gonna buy the cover, I forget to buy the cover, so I purchased the cover this morning as I told you guys. So the cover is actually coming tomorrow. So the next time I use this pot on there, it will have a cover. Okay. So we're gonna use that mesh something that we have over it that we normally use to cover when the frying chicken and stuff. But like, look at this. This is a lot of meat. Teacher gonna love this. So I'm just gonna make it leave. Let's try to find something to see what that cover is. But in the meantime, the curry is currying. Let's check the gravy. Start to stick a little bit. Don't like that. So, see? Gravy is getting thicker. So I'm going to turn this down and it's going to stay on the heat. And the heat itself will actually, you know, draw out some more water. But this is my curried goat, guys. This is my curried goat. Yeah. All that goodness. To the bottom. To the bottom I talk about? Yeah. Flat. So that is Jamaican curried goat. Turn off the fire and the food stay and simmer. Alright, now with this pork over here, so look how beautiful that is. Alright guys, forgot to add the pepper, so this is how it's looking. I just stir it a while ago.
Mama, can you try to open this?
I still haven't put any water in this yet. It's just springing by itself.
Mama, last night I was trying to open.
So this is the cover that I'm still gonna use this. Can't open up, just cover it up a little bit. Yeah, the pork is so much. You see that? So let's hold it down with this cover.
Mama, I can open it.
Alright, so just flash it on this side. If you go and cook, yeah. Alright guys, this is what the pork is looking like. Can you believe it almost cooked? This is why I actually saved this for last. Coming notice the pork ain't a bit so tough. Pork would normally take longer. But it's almost cooked. It's 11:13 now. So I'm gonna give it until 11:30. and then add some baking soda to it and some butter. Make it smell. Don't look on gravy already. Just need a little bit more. It's a little bit like this is gummy, but it's like just a little bit more and it get tenderized. I feel like more even add. I'm gonna give it. Yeah, I'm gonna make it cook a little bit more because this quick for cooking. Yeah. I'm gonna give it until 11:30. Then I add the baking soda to it and stuff. But that is my stew pork. Like, doesn't it look beautiful? Yeah. I put my look at the stove. Alright guys, this is the pork. It is done. Gravy nice. I'm gonna turn this off now. Turn it off. That is it. So I'm gonna leave it, Mickey. Turn it off. You know the heat will keep that. It's now 11:41, so I was on time. This is the curry. So this is the curry, the gravy. Talk to me nice, yeah. So that's done. Everything is basically finished right now, and the rice and peas over there, so about shiny and nice. Things still come out. So that's basically a wrap for right now. I'm just gonna leave them on the stove. I'm gonna sit for like the next 15 minutes or so, and Nally, which is, you know, teacher girlfriend, just called me and reminded me that, or let me know that she's at work, but TJ normally go play basketball by around 1 o'clock, so he may not be there if I'm planning to go at 1. So that kind of give me a little more time. So I'm gonna sit around 12 o'clock, start to cook clothes and stuff. Tristan and Troy, as I said before, already went on the road. Teacher already, Tristan already bid. So I'm gonna check out clothes on me and Savannah, and then around 1 o'clock we actually start bathing and stuff, and then we'll be heading out maybe like 2 o'clock, 2:30. So you'll see us when we're on our way going to the destination, or when we actually reach. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that little cooking section, and when we're sharing out the food, yeah, I'll come back to you when I'm sharing out the food. So yeah, let's do that.
What the fox?
Alright guys, we are ready to go. Just came down in the basement to to grab my extra batteries. No one at charge. I think no one at bed. Oh man. The extra battery. I think this one was the one that died. This one needs to charge. Let me put it in this one. I need to charge. Alright, so I have my extra stuff. And we are off. I think we might stop to get gas. It is now 10 minutes to 3. We were supposed to read there before, but hey. So we're out.
Hey guys. Got the balloons.
Alright guys, we stopped at the gas station. I was just the kids didn't have any ideas to where we were going. Tristan thinks that we're gonna go Olive Gardens. We don't know how we're gonna go Olive Gardens with food, like how that makes sense. And Savannah just didn't have a clue as to where we're going. So I just had them guess. Tristan got the right answer. I'm like, I don't know, I didn't catch it on camera, but I was like, what day is tomorrow? But it was like TJ's birthday, and I'm like, how are we gonna celebrate that? And you're like, where's Tristan? I said, how are we gonna celebrate it?
Going up there and surprising him.
And he said, going up there and surprising him. And I'm like, so we're like, yeah, that is it. So we're going up there with his favorite food and stuff like that. But Tristan thought he had an idea as to where we're coming, and I'm like, no, he doesn't. So hopefully Natalie should be leaving work at 4 o'clock. So hopefully we get up there on time with her. Yeah, we have everything packed up. I'm excited and stuff like that. I just hope we have enough time. Coming as normally on Sundays when he actually does his homework. But like, how are you guys feeling?
Good.
You guys excited to go surprise your brother?
I'm excited to go surprise him, but I'm hungry.
The food in
Mama,
here.
I'm excited.
Nobody to eat. We make sure that nobody to eat our
Literally,
food.
the only thing that I ate today was, like, I not really eat, but I had gum.
Gum?
Like just one piece of gum.
You don't let me have bad parents.
And then I ate cereal, and now I'm eating another piece of gum now. That's
Why make you eat so much
all
gum?
I ate today.
Mama,
Yes, Stefania.
I only ate my gun and also I only.
You had a bunch of snacks. Yeah, I was a bad mom this morning. I never met no breakfast or none of them. They had just
And Mama,
figured out and
why
find
you
something.
can't eat
to
with TJ?
We're gonna eat with TJ.
Then why you say we're not gonna eat nothing?
No, but that's why we have the food. We're gonna go by TJ and we're gonna eat. We all are gonna eat and celebrate
Stop
with him.
playing with the balloons. Mama,
So anyway, guys, we're gonna get gas, try out their pumping gas and stuff.
stop
So
playing with balloons.
we're going to how old is TJ gonna turn? Anybody knows?
24, I'm playing.
20.
Stefania, no, we don't want Stefania to know. It's gonna. I didn't know Stefania knew.
Oh, I was about to say.
Dad, he's going to be 20.
Yeah,
No, it's
that's
gonna be
crazy. My baby's gonna be 20. That made me whole.
I
Whole
said 20,
bad.
Mama.
Yeah, baby. So,
I
anyhow,
didn't say 20. I said 20.
so what is 20?
20 is 20.
Exactly. So what?
I'll trick
Anyhow,
you.
guys,
It's
I'll see you on the
45.
journey.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away.
Alright, guys, we reach. And it's that drizzle. Stefania, pull over here. Put your hat on.
Okay. Oh, wait for me.
I'm gonna wait for you. Ooh, wait. Jesus Christ. iPad, me, AirPod, your foot. Alright, guys. Wait, hold on. Okay, I got you. Huh?
Think me come.
You pick me up.
No, let's walk. You're good? Come on, Tristan. Hold on, Fanny. I'll make it blow away. Come on. You're just when if earth and come on, set her. Yeah, just. Huh? Want to look at next cheek? Tristan, come now.
Water.
Come on.
A lot of water.
Yeah, it's raining. Daddy, I walk with that light bag there, man.
Mommy, there's a lot of flowers here.
Yeah.
Look.
Come. Go, Tristan, go on.
Dandelion.
Tristan, hold on for the button properly, please. Woo. Let's see his expression.
SpongeBob.
What's a bit of money?
Knock.
That's it.
You're enough for him. So you want calling phone?
Sempre como me
Oh, by the water. Come over to Tristan.
Tristan that did the same thing as you.
You're cool? Okay, just wake up, man. There's the rain.
Yeah, send something to your room. I want number your room again. Alright. Come open the door then. I'm supposed to do that.
What's it?
31.
Happy birthday! Come, Tristan, hurry up.
Yeah.
That's up.
Come there.
We got
Happy early birthday! Are you feeling Cena?
Feeling good. Want to do some work.
So we got dinner for you.
your favorite dinner.
Listen.
Turn the light.
You believe me? Huh? No.
The people that come, you know, say the way they come.
Yeah, you're probably.
But it doesn't sound. That didn't sound right.
So what? So you open the door then?
I opened the door because you told me to open the door.
So we got.
Alright, give me a second.
Pretty, so pretty.
Feel like
Are you feel being 20 tomorrow?
It doesn't really. It hasn't
You have things in
manifested.
your fridge. You have things in your fridge.
TJ.
You use it?
I have something. Hold on, baby. I have.
Let's not put the juice in your freezer. Beat up there.
No. Put it in my freezer. I have these in there.
Can I come show you what we have for you?
Just one. Beat up. Just see time there.
I'm excited.
Yes, ma'am.
You know how much planning this take for me, though?
you're my chance. Stop.
Tristan, someone can go put your stuff them on TJ's bed. So, what are you thinking there, Asmi? What are you thinking, Asmi?
Cook food. What is pork?
Stew pork?
Okay. Wait, how's all this gonna fit in my fridge?
No, we're gonna have different containers. All of us gonna eat here.
Okay.
So we haven't eaten anything. We just come straight to you. And this one is
Okay, curry.
curry goat.
Okay.
Mama,
Yes, baby.
can I take off my jacket?
Yes, you can, baby.
Take it up. Careful. Go on.
Oh, we can eat here, right?
Oh yeah.
Mama, I need
And then
help.
that price.
You know some more.
Please help, Mama.
More, sir.
Hold on. Not John Deere, son.
Pork one.
In here we got
And your favorite
your
cake.
birthday
Okay,
cake.
this one I can keep, right?
Yeah, that is your. So this one I can keep. And coleslaw.
Okay.
So we can't have the curry goat without the coleslaw.
Oh, here we go.
Mama, can you help me with my jacket?
Turn on both the lights.
Yo, so you can't do enough, you know, ready to come up with the phone, you know, hold it for nice.
I was showering.
Oh, how did I say
As long
that?
as I take the day.
Because my hair that y'all was.
Didn't get the chance to get you happy birthday.
What is this? How much is on this?
Enough to buy the shoes and left change.
Oh, the shoes that I asked for? Thank you.
TJ! TJ!
Yes, mama.
I didn't shake it.
I was excited.
Yeah, he asked me one shoes. I'm telling you, I don't know that I work or coming out so much money.
Can you help me?
Always.
Help, Mama.
But the thing is,
I haven't eaten anything.
yeah, we're gonna eat. We're putting in hunger too, and I eat nothing from morning.
I was gonna be like cold.
Tristan, help Tawana with her jacket. Help Tristan, Tawana with her jacket. Her jacket, yeah. Take off your lip.
Oh, that's mine also.
Look at my watch.
Tristan, TJ, I have some little things that I brought for you too. Wasn't sure if you have any.
Oh, please, yes, these I need. Thank you. What's this? Oh, wipes?
Not wipes.
No, not wipes. Tissue.
Yeah.
And then these, yes. Because hold on, I'm gonna put these up.
Damn.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't forget.
We have 1 2 3 few and 3 is me and Mama and 4 is me and also Daddy and Natalie.
Now 6.
Are they supposed to come?
Yeah. I know that.
A bit bigger.
I know you were be sweaty.
She's leaving work at 4 o'clock. TJ, you have wipes? Can I wipe off the table?
But that's it.
Words of the day.
There's a parking lot right in front of you. You want your
Only for boys?
For your boys, because they're all boys in here.
Oh. TJ's a boy, I know. But we are girls and TJ.
Yeah, but we don't live together.
TJ lives here?
Yeah.
But look, it's short.
TJ lives in our house.
Yeah, but he's not there when he's in school. When he's in school, he lives here.
Turn around there.
Doesn't mean he lives here. It means he be like. It means like you come to school every day, and this is his college, and he doesn't live here.
He lives here. He lives on campus. He doesn't come home every day like when he goes to school and come home. Right?
Because this is my college.
Let me see.
This is the college you want to come when you get older?
Yeah.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold.
Is this mine? Like it?
I feel like I'm gonna continue to think about it.
I think.
I haven't had your recipes in so long.
You ate it for 4 months.
Try.
I have,
Tomorrow.
but I just haven't eaten it in a long time. What do you think about how good it tasted?
Come closer to the food.
My God. I'm cooked that too.
Isn't it drink stuff?
Oh.
It's mine.
There you go, one is
Ew.
This is the one. Come on, put it. Okay. I'll punch it for you one. Yeah.
Is this mine? Who found this?
I have 2. Let's have 2.
Okay. That's food.
Come on.
Them plates are too small, you know, man. Birthday boy come to Nigeria, see what we can eat. Take a break.
I'm starving already. I want to
Let's
eat
eat
that.
this.
Is it?
Step on this.
That's nice.
It's not here, right?
It's yours.
Yes.
Yay!
Very good with it.
Thank you. This what the birthday boy enjoys it.
I just got juice.
Oh shit, juice. Come.
See that in backwards?
Sorry. Right now.
Can you
Okay.
give some more of this?
One more?
Yeah.
What? Good?
I love it.
You gotta be careful now.
It
You
smells
want to
good already.
drop
I
on
mean, you know how your recipes is majestic. That is coleslaw is majestic.
Yeah. And this coleslaw goes well with my curry goat. It's like a perfect marriage. Curry goat and coleslaw. And I have a cold curry goat. Really cool.
Any objections? Any objections to the marriage?
No.
That's what I thought. You may now kiss.
Now or forever hold your peace.
Look, Bobby, you may now kiss. Paso, paso.
Watermelon or what is?
Watermelon juice.
Or pineapple mango.
I think that starts with a W.
Someone has 20 minutes.
Starts with W.
TJ, we want watermelon or pineapple mango?
Watermelon. Like what?
I don't think it starts with what?
5'9" or 5'10".
You're 5'9". I'll give you 5'9".
Yo.
Why does tomorrow
Bro, I run 5'10".
Somebody don't.
When I was 5'10", I was dunking.
You are you? You and me?
Cold?
No.
Hot? You good?
Oh, your tea coming out.
So the fork just hit it and just moved.
No, I didn't move. Daddy punched it out.
No, I'm saying you got another tea
Yeah,
that's
they're
loose.
throw that shit. Throw that shit.
Thank you, mommy. Thank you, daddy.
Mama,
I
I
got you. Try watermelon or pineapple.
Go drink water. Your food, Keneisha.
From morning, I feel like I'm put it in. I said, put my girl on my food.
2 minutes. You put 2 minutes, 2 1/2.
Hold on, this, come on. I put no girl on my food. I can't eat the food.
This is my chicken. I'm gonna put it over here so you can
Come on,
well, that's you. And this is mine. Yeah, just same views.
This one? Alright, this is good.
Mama,
You know you're such a clean freak.
Mommy, just now that's called you goofy.
I said, be a freak, do
I
I
said clean freak. Like, what do you mean?
You said
Did you ever
goofy
fuck
first and then clean.
Just in one extra to go wash.
No, it's alright, I'm going to use that.
You're such a
For
clean
them little man.
Mama,
Hmm?
such a clean freak.
You need something. You're such a dirty freak.
Mommy, can you cut up this meat?
You're superhuman.
Mommy,
Can I
can
help her, please?
set me.
Wait, like the rest of my meat, you know? Eat the food. I give 4 pieces, 2 pieces of each meat. I ain't touch none of meat, none of something. Just eat up the rest of the food. What is it, baby? My the big baby.
Oh.
Get it down with food.
Mama, you know how you put the coleslaw next to the curry and stuff? What if you made curry goats and rice and peas, like you just put it together? Like rice and peas?
No, that's next time.
Oh.
It was a little one pot meal. Kind of get something.
Yeah.
Run a belly. Even though you eat it together, like you just feel like you cook it together with this. No.
Mama, look.
Yes, baby, eat it.
Mom, this just kind of tastes crunchy.
Yes, it's a cabbage.
Break down mashed up. Are they mashed up together?
Yes, very great in it.
Oh, what are you want me to say the master ball I give you?
I finished right before everybody.
You're greedy, man.
I'm just hungry, movie.
You're good?
I only ate 2 pieces of gum and cereal today.
Alright, you know one thing I'm gonna leave you the church.
Mama, after I'm done with all these, when I'm done with all these, Mama, I'm gonna ask for more because this is busting. Wait.
Yeah, that big stand of milk over there, yes. This is busting, yeah, big man. For busting, you know, busting.
It means it's good. Busting means good. I got it from you, Tristan.
Make it frown, man. done the turkey.
Mama, I want to play.
My friend? Okay, pass me that for the house. Go ahead.
What idea what y'all saying?
Go ahead.
It's in my head.
Yeah, you gotta say that love for everybody. Say love for everybody. Go ahead, come on. Don't hurry up and make everybody's food get full. Come on.
I pray them, man.
Thank you, Lord, for my food. Let me thank Him for my food. Amen. Amen.
See y'all on the
And make sure she gets up when I get up.
Put this down. Mama, when I put it up to just today, I slipped out of my hair.
Let's eat that. What happens?
It's the afternoon, we lay awake in bed.
I want to sing happy birthday for TJ.
Happy birthday for real.
Yeah, the right start eating my youth.
Mama, happy birthday.
Just don't want it to stain.
Mama, happy birthday for real, man. Happy birthday.
We're gonna sing happy, happy birthday. And a merry, 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 merry birthday. Happy, happy birthday. What do you have to say for your brother on his birthday?
Thank you for everything you have taught me, brother.
Sounds so fake.
Okay.
Sounds so fake.
Taught me a lot of stuff, for real.
Let's get for them.
Come on, what do you want to say to your brother on his birthday?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
What do you want to say? Come on to yourself.
Happy birthday, babe.
Hey. I hope you enjoy this trip that we made today. Because it took not a lot of planning, but I was thinking about this for a while. I know you said that you're not getting no good food, so I'm like, we have to get your best meal up here. And I took today out to make sure that it's happening, because if it depends on you, you wouldn't want it for your birthday. So I didn't ask you what you wanted. Actually, keeping it a secret.
What?
And your father for helping me put everything together, right? I can't believe you're 20. I can't believe you're 20. Like, what? Now me feel older than ever. I'm still young, so that can't happen. Huh?
Yeah, alright. You're young.
But
you look young too, Daddy.
all fun and joke aside, I am super, super proud of you. The man that you have grown into. Like, I couldn't ask for a better son. I couldn't ask for a better first child. I couldn't ask for... You're just perfect in your own way. And I don't want to put too much pressure on you, but like, I just love for everything that you have done. We are so proud, super proud of you. Your second year, you literally almost finished your second year of college. You were just talking about that coming up. You're almost into your third year. One more year left after that. Time just fly. Like, literally, we just remember just bringing you up to the school the other day. Like, that's crazy, right? I know you're 20. Like, what? So, happy birthday again, my baby boy. I'm super, super proud of you. I love you so much. Again, you already know you're my best friend. I don't want to make a contact. So, right? So, happy birthday again. I love you.
I know.
You said that.
Take it for that.
There's more life,
Happy
more health,
birthday.
more wealth. See, happy 20th year.
You want to shot that sweet? You want to shot too much? Alright, we're gonna sing happy birthday for TJ real quick. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear TJ. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you? Give up the first finger. How old are you now? Happy birthday
Where those other ones?
to... Alright.
There you go.
How you gonna have the digits?
And not like this.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Happy birthday.
this, don't I? How do I
Hit.
Huh?
Say a wish and blow out the candle.
Don't say it. Only say it in your house.
That was a quick wish.
That was quicker than mine.
My wish always the same.
Wish always the same?
Yeah.
You ever come true?
No, not yet.
Not yet?
No, not yet.
Even if you talk it up, make it come true.
For sure.
Your wish come true, Tristan? Your wish come true?
Well, for me and my whole family.
Huh?
It still
Which one?
is.
Which one?
For me and my whole family.
So happening the right one.
It's
That's what I'm
coming.
saying, that
It's
they have
coming.
What we wish for?
For God to keep bringing me on because I'm 10 right now and I want to keep living.
What? Come here.
Ali.
For God to guide me on.
It's my cake.
Guide you.
And then one with the
Okay.
in the fridge. Make sure the curry got in and the rice. Alright, those are the ones with easy off the spot.
Why you do?
She just made me do it.
Well,
You know, say spoiler.
don't worry.
Me use the camera and punk in there for Alright, come cut the cake, cut the cake.
That tastes good.
You want to take it?
Yeah. DJ, no. No, cut
Why?
the cake first. You
It's
put it
his
with that?
birthday, you can
See,
do
we can
it.
fix up the fridge now. Go away.
It's my party and I cry if I want to. You cut it with Lucas, sis?
Right there.
One.
Wait,
What we
wait.
got? 1, 2, 3, cut. Woo!
I did all day. She didn't even
We got eat now.
I don't eat cake, so I'm gonna stay over.
Tell them how you felt about today.
Felt good, you know. Got to see my family. Got to eat some good food. It was a blast. No cap.
I love you. Alright.
Thank you.
Have a great day tomorrow. I will definitely call you. Love you too. But I do like when you do me, I'll call you 2 o'clock on the dot. Better make sure you answer, no?
I will. I go to bed at like 1:30. So.
Don't let me feel. Put in the corner, so. Somebody come and take away an expensive balloon, you know. $1.25 for one. Hey, take time, let my balloon. Hey, bye. To the best daughter now.
You don't even know where you're going.
The best. Bye. That's the best daughter. Make it pass and Nelly, nobody knows.
Come, I want to show you where you're going.
Bye, later. Remember this
Yeah,
sort of
I'm gonna show you.
I'm fix it like a son. Huh? Oh, how dare.
I'll see you next time.
Bye.
Get home safe.
And we won't. Hood over my head, please. Very good. What we call that? So we turn up in that corner.
I know, I saw you guys come around this way. So, what you're gonna do?
On our phone. Alright, later. Love you.
Alright
guys, we're going home.
Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home.
We're going home, we're going home.
We weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
Alright guys, we are home. Finally reached home. Literally just coming out house. Today was a fun day. I'm glad I actually get a chance to surprise my baby. I'm glad that I could actually have this dinner, create his meal, meet up and just have a good time as a family today on a Sunday on his 20th birthday. Well, he has one more day, but you know what I mean. He was surprised, he was excited. I mean, he was still doing his homework while we were there and everything, but we understand the college we have to do what he got to do. Tomorrow he has just a full day of class tomorrow, all the way up until 6 o'clock, from 8 o'clock in the morning until 6 o'clock. So he's doing what he got to do. But guys, as I said before, we're here as a family. We're back safely. It was raining. I feel like I'm getting sick. I feel like I'm coming down with something. But anywho, was excited for today. Right now it's 20 minutes to 8 o'clock. I've been up since 4 this morning. I just couldn't go back to sleep, and then I started cooking after 7. So now I'm just gonna get some ice cream, to be honest, watch a movie, and go to bed. Like that's all I'm doing right now. So if you haven't already subscribed, guys, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on in the comment section, share, and send out some happy birthday from my baby boy. Until later, guys. Bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.